Hey, good afternoon guys. Welcome to this video. It's your tracker Mo with Vista. Today we're loading up a load. The commodity is tractor parts. We are here in Miami, Florida. So what we're loading today is this, as you see right here, which is tractor parts. I just asked the guy, the loader, he said it's coming from Brazil. So we are taking these parts. It's gonna be 30 pallets. Gonna load it up and going straight to Louisiana. So my loader day is already started loading up my trailer. It's really hot in here. It's 106 degrees, but stay hydrated.